Okay, so moving along with our development process, we're almost done here. So the last step of creating the REST APIs with Spring Data JPA repositories and Spring Data REST. Okay, so let's go ahead and move over here on the side in our project structure here, our package structure. Clean up some of the windows. And the first thing we'll do is we'll create a new package called DAO. And now we'll create a new Java interface. So in IntelliJ, you do a new Java class and you select the interface, but it's going to be for a product repository. So choose interface. And this is for a product repository. Let me expand the window here and just kind of zoom in a bit. And so we'll make use of that Spring Data JPA. So we extend the JPA repository. And then we specify our entity type and also our primary key type. So the entity type is product and the primary key is long. And this is all from our product that we just created in the previous video. And that's it for the coding for our repository. Pretty easy, pretty fun. Let's go ahead and create one more repository for our product category repository. So choose interface, product category repository. And then we'll follow the same technique as before. So extends JPA repository. The entity is product category and the primary key is long. And I'll add one bit of customization here for this given repository. I'll provide the name for the collection resource relationship, and also I'll specify the actual path. Because I don't want to take the defaults. The defaults don't work for me, so I'll specify the given data. So this will be the name of the actual JSON entry, product category, and this will be the actual reference for the path, product category. Normally they'll try and make things plural by simply adding an S onto it, and I don't want that. I simply will use a simple reference here. And that's it for creating our repositories. So we have a product repository and also a product category repository. So this looks really good. Alrighty, so we finished our development process. I'm excited now. Let's go ahead and run it. I want to see this thing in action. Okay, great. Our Spring Boot application is up and running. Now we can swing over to our web browser and access one of the URLs. So just for starters, I'll access localhost 8080/API. And so this will give me a list of APIs that are exposed for this given application. So we can see that we have a product category API and also a products API. Let's go ahead and access the products API. So we do /API/products. And awesome. This looks great. So we're getting a list of our products and this is all coming from our database. This is awesome. Good job. And so we can also access our product category. So I'll simply update the URL to reference this. And great, really good. So notice here, we only have one product category right now, books, but they basically give us the information for the various items that are out there. And we can even see the products for this given category. So we can select the link here. And now this basically takes us over to the previous products that we saw earlier. So this is great. So we know we have a REST API that exposes the actual product categories and also a list of products. So I like to say, good job.